Hello, my lovely students. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. In this video, you're going to learn how to answer these two questions. What are you doing? And what were you doing? So, let's start. What are you doing? When someone asks you, what are you doing? That's mean, what are you doing? Now, at that moment. And to answer this question, you need to learn about the present continuous. We use the present continuous to talk about things that are happening now, at the moment of speaking. For example, I'm explaining at the moment, and you are following at the moment.
What are you doing?
I'm reading.
What are you doing?
I'm doing gymnastics.
As you can see, the present continuous is composed of two parts. The present tense of the verb to be, that's mean am, is or are, and the main verb plus ing. What were you doing? If someone asks you this question, that's mean what were you doing in a specific time in the past? What were you doing this morning? What were you doing yesterday? What were you doing last week? And to answer this question, you need to use the past continuous. The past continuous is similar to the present continuous. It also uses gerund or ing verb. The verb to be changes to the past form. That's mean was or were. We use the past continuous to talk about something we were doing in a specific time in the past. For example, yesterday I was preparing my lesson. Last Saturday I was cleaning my house.
Samia, what were you doing yesterday?
I was studying.
Itar, what were you doing yesterday when I called you?
I was listening to music.
This was our lesson for today. I hope you understand now how to answer the most common two questions in English. What are you doing? And what were you doing? And I hope you understand now when to use the present and past continuous. See you in the next video. Goodbye!